Hello students. In previous lecture video we have studied about the Bezier curve. In this video I am going to introduce the Koch curve. Koch curve is one of the type of a fractal. What is fractal? Fractal we can use to draw a natural objects which is having a property of self-similarity. Self-similarity means if we can draw or we can show one of the part of an object and that part of an object can be repetitively used to represent the whole object. For example, we can take a example of a vegetable flower. It consists of a small parts which we can say if we repeat it we can get a full flower. Mountains. Okay. So let's proceed how to design these fractals. Okay. So consider first a one thread. Okay. Now if I want to divide it in equal parts, consider the length is 5 centimeter. I want to divide it into a 5 and so 5 parts. So obviously each length will be 1. So we can say 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5, or we can say we are dividing a thread of 5 centimeter into 155, 1 divided by 5 sections. Okay, we are scaling it by 1 by 5. Okay, consider the another example. Take a 2D square. Okay, again scale it by half. So if we scale it by half, so it will be look like this. Okay, so we are getting 4 sections. So we can say 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. Again next, consider we are taking a 3D square. Okay, so it will be look like this. Now divide it into a again or scale it by half. So obviously I'll be cutting from this side and I'll be cutting again the half is like this. So I'll be having it's if you are knowing the Rubik's cube, it will be same like that only. So if I am scaling it by 2, so I'll be getting 2 raised to 3, 8 equal parts. Okay, it is like this. So you can imagine the things. Okay, so it will be a 8 equal parts. Okay, so now what is this part, the raised to part? Okay, this is called as a DF, fractional dimension. Okay, so when we have fractional dimension greater than your topological dimension, we call that curve as a fractal. Okay, so now let's how do we have this equation? N is equal to log of n is equal to s raised to df. So I can say df is equal to log of n divided by log of s. Okay, now let's proceed how to design this Koch curve. Consider we have one thread in our hand. First step is divide this thread into 3 equal parts. Okay, so we'll be having this. Second step is now divide this whole thread such that the middle part will be formed into an equilateral triangle. So all these sides should be equal. Okay, again I'll repeat. The first step is divide the length into equal parts. The second step is again divide the same length into the parts such that the middle part will become an form an equilateral triangle. So obviously these angles will be 60 degree. Okay, so this particular part forming the middle part is going to form an equilateral triangle is going to repeat for all. So we will be getting something like this. again divide this into equal parts, so we will be getting like this. Again divide this into equal parts, so like this and like this, and this step is going to repeat, so that this kind of a structure will get here, here, here and here. Okay, so this is nothing but the Koch curve. Thank you.